Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from Western Kentucky. During the wheat harvest, I had a chance to visit a farm that was running some very nice 1990s John Deere farm equipment, a 9600 Maximizer combine, and a John Deere 8300 and 8400 tractor. The 8300 running the J&M grain cart, and the 8400 operating a 7200 MaxEmerge planter, no-tilling in a second crop of soybeans right behind the combine. In this video, I would like to give you some of the basic history and specifications of these John Deere machines, as well as their original price tags, which I think you'll find very interesting compared to the million-dollar machines that you see harvesting wheat in this region today. So let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this great classic harvest. The John Deere 9600 Maximizer was the largest combine available from the brand from 1989 through 1997. It was manufactured in East Moline, Illinois, and has a 260 horsepower rating and is equipped with a 240 bushel grain bin. The machine harvesting wheat in this video is a 1997 model. That is the year that John Deere celebrated its 50th anniversary in manufacturing self-propelled combines. This 9600 is equipped with a special 50th anniversary decal on its grain bin. The 9600 Maximizer combine had a base list price of $137,035 in 1997. The machine harvesting wheat in this video is equipped with a 30-foot wide John Deere 930 grain table, which had a cost of $20,000 when it was new. To keep the harvest moving, the farm utilizes a tractor and grain cart. This 1990s team consists of a 200 horsepower John Deere 8300. This was the second largest row crop tractor available from the brand from 1995 through 1999. It was manufactured in Waterloo, Iowa, and had an original price tag of $103,700. The J&M grain cart had a price tag of $15,000 when it was new. Following right behind the combine and grain cart, the farm is no-till planting a second crop of soybeans into the wheat stubble. They are utilizing a 225 horsepower John Deere 8400 tractor, which was manufactured in Waterloo, Iowa from 1995 through 1999. It was the company's largest row crop tractor during that time period, and it had a base list price of $120,840. It's operating a 40-foot wide, 16-row John Deere MaxEmerge 7200 planter. The planter had a cost of $37,000 when it was new. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this John Deere 1990s farm equipment lineup, harvesting winter wheat and planting soybeans. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you run John Deere tractors or combines on your farm. If you've appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 3,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you're already a member, make sure to hit that alert icon to stay up to date on the latest releases from the channel. As always, thank you for watching.